Here we are at your custody exchange journal. This is what you're going to see if you haven't journaled at all yet. Notice down here that it's telling you that everything in your journal stays hidden from the other parent, even if you link your custody exchange accounts. And that gives you a private space so you can write honestly about what's happening. On the other hand, if you link with your legal professional, they will have access to your journal so that they can give you feedback and help you prepare for court. So let's make an entry. You can choose any date, past, present, or future. And while it says that the title and entry text are optional, I definitely recommend being detailed in both spots. I also recommend adding at least one label to each entry. This will be how you filter entries and stay organized once you have a few. Think of reasons that you're likely to print out entries, like to prove that your co-parent's been hostile or that you stayed on top of your child's health condition, and then make labels around those. Now I'm creating my first label. If I had already labeled other entries, then I would see those here to choose from. You can add as many attachments as you like. Images are great because they display and print as part of the entry, whereas documents you just have to print separately. Then hit Save. To edit or delete an entry, just click on it and you'll see both of those options. Now let's look at an account that has multiple entries. To print or export all of your entries, hit this printer button. But imagine that you want to narrow down to entries about how one of your children is doing in school. In that case, you can filter using the labels that you created, or you can search by keyword or date, and you'll see all the relevant entries show up. Now hit the printer button to print or export just these entries. From here, you have the option to save as a Word document, as a PDF, or print. Saving as a Word document is nice because it lets you make changes like highlighting or adding a page break. And that's a quick look at how to use your journal to document developments in your life and in your children's lives. If you have questions, visit custodyexchange.com/help or contact us in the app.